Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check this out. How about solar on the go, right? So I've reviewed a lot of solar panels. I have a lot of those foldable, flexible panels that I've looked at over the years, and I'll be honest with you, with a few exceptions, a lot of them don't seem to put out the rated power. Well, this company here reached out to me and said they had a rigid 200 watt panel set up. And I'm kind of curious to check it out. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm already digging this, okay. And they meant it. It literally is just 200 watt rigid paneling, and it is been put into a case with a solar charger and everything. So take a look at the backside here. This is really nice. If I can get this opened up here. Yeah. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is really cool. So it's the ACOPOWER PLK-200 PX20A, and it is 200 watts, 24.5 volts. Short circuit is 10 amps. Power tolerance plus or minus 3%. Maximum system voltage is 100, and the weight is 6.4 kilograms, so about 15 pounds, give or take. Look at it. So we got it with solar panel, solar charge controller here that we can program in. We have a way to charge batteries. We have additional solar input here that we're just going to hook in. So you have the choice. You can plug this in and recharge a portable power pack, like a solar power pack. I've reviewed plenty of those here. Or you plug this in, and now this is all you need to charge a battery, to charge your RV, whatever it is you're trying to power up. It's got built in. And it's a little hard to see here, they're taped in here, but I'll pull these out. But it also has stands, so we can angle this at the sun, get the right angle, to get as much power in as we want, or as we can. And those just snap into place here. I'll go ahead and remove those. Wow, this is kind of like an all-in-one solution. I'll say I already feel like it's going to be very superior to the flexible panels that you have. This is more of a permanent setup. In fact, I don't see any reason why you couldn't semi-permanently set this up somewhere. These are waterproof for sure as well. So, all right, so what I'm going to do here, well, hold on, let's close this up. And kind of a nice little carrying handle as well. Slides back into place, and you can zip that back up to travel with. Now there is a zippered bag on the back, and it just has a whole bunch of connectors. So let's take a look here. We got a variety of battery connectors. So going from that solar charger, if you want to use the built-in one, we have an extension so we can run something farther out. And we also have a fused extension here that just allows us to hook it directly to a battery to recharge that battery. Really nice, man, honestly. This is a really nice little setup here. But with the magic of video editing, we'll show this thing set up in the yard with some sunlight on it, and we'll take a look and show you what it will look like charging. All right, let's do it. Very little sunlight left these days. This is the winter time. And the way the rotation of the earth is, we now don't get clearance over the trees here. But I've got this set up. Just wanted to show it off in its configured way here. And you can adjust the angle. You can adjust the pitch to get the most sun. So for me, I would be moving this around as the day progresses. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I will say I think it's a superior setup than the flexible panels that you see, a lot of these portable flexible panels. This setup just seems more durable, and it is and completely waterproof, which is the other one is not. Here's our stands back here. You can see it set up, and the wiring there if you want to hook it to the solar panel. And I'll do that right now. See, here is the solar charge controller. It's already up and running. So pretty awesome. Nice little setup there. Very, I would say it doesn't weigh but about 20-25 pounds at most. So not difficult to get that thing moved around if you need it. Take it in an RV or something like that. Or honestly, you put it just about anywhere if you needed to. Well, I guess that'll do it. I'll leave a link to where you can get it. It's the ACOPOWER, Power Your Green Life. And yeah, till next time, my friends, take care.